Okay, here's my SpeedAire 60-gallon compressor I bought for 50 bucks. Had a blown up compressor pump. I went to Harbor Freight and bought a 5-horse pump and put on there, retrofitted everything. Got all new plumbing on it. Had to redo all the pressure switches and the regulator. Came with this electric motor. It's a 5-horse motor. Does real good. And redoing everything, I put this air drain valve in there. And what's really neat is I can just reach down with my foot and release the pressure. And let's see if I can get this thing to get enough pressure out of it, and then we'll start it up. Pretty quiet, actually.